We are the United Kingdom Zionites.
This thing.
We are
Learn.
here to say thank you to God for
Subscribe,
this
share,
ministry, for the grace of God upon the life of our
like
spiritual
for more.
director. The UK group is
Subscribe,
supporting
listen, share,
Zion
and
this
like
year.
for
We've
more.
done 32 trips of sand
Listen and learn.
and 1,126
Yes.
seats. Last year, we also gave a donation of 60 million naira. This year, that you have to forgive us, we didn't do much, but we are giving Zion the sum of 235 million naira.
Put mic in your mouth. He said how much? Tia mic now the go.
235 million.
Zion UK 235 million. That means work on permanent site will start. I'm coming to UK. We fly.
Zion USA.
Whoa, whoa. Okay, give someone that will announce your Thanksgiving.
Zion, yeah. Uno simquo.
We want to hear your English.
Make I talk.
Talk.